So consider this problem statement. So it says that suppose x belongs to this particular interval, that is 0 to pi over 4. So it is a solution for this particular equation, that is 4 times cosine of x minus 3 times sin x, that is equal to 1. So in that case we need to compute this particular expression, that is 3 times square root of 6 minus 2 times cosine of x. So this value we need to compute. Now here, first of all, we'll consider this given equation. So I'll just put down this equation over here. Now I'll try to resolve this particular equation, right? So I will square both the sides so that I can generate some expression by which I can apply identities. So what I will be doing here, before squaring this one, I will subtract 1 on both sides before squaring this, right? Subtract 1 on both sides, so this 1 will be taken off, and I will add 3 times sin x on both the side. So now I will square both the sides. Now on doing this, so here I will be getting, so on this part I can write 16 times cos x squared plus 1, then here at this part minus 2ab, right? So 2 times 4, that is 8, and here cosine x, and this will be equal to 9 times sine x squared. Now this sine x squared can be converted into 1 minus cosine square x, right? So instead of this sine x square, I can write 1 minus cos x squared, right? Now we are having cos x terms over here, right? Now here, on resolving this expression, so this equation, if you observe, I will be resolving this. So this will be 16 plus 9, that would be 25 cos x squared, right? Now after that we'll have this 8 times cosine of x, and then here minus 8, that will be equal to 0. Now if I solve this quadratic equation, so considering cos x as the variable, or you can take substitution as well, like you can assume that cos x as u. So instead of doing that, I will be writing it directly. So cos x will finally belong to this set of equation, that is 8, and here plus and minus for the two roots representation, and this would be 68 plus 800 over 25 times 2, that is 50. So one with the negative one and the other one with the positive, right? So if you observe here, so on resolving this further, I'll just resolve this particular numbers. So this can be written as 4, and here we can write 25, and this particular expression that is under the square root can be written as 6 times square root of 6, and the very same thing can be written with this positive sign. So definitely this one is a positive quantity, but this one is a negative number, right? So in this case, the only acceptable value for this cosine of x, this would be the positive value. And what is the reason? So comment below reason, whatever you think, right? Pause the video and comment it out. So here the reason is, it is clearly mentioned in the problem statement that x belongs to this particular interval, right? And because of that, the negative value gets rejected. So I hope that is clear. So on resolving this expression further, so we'll be getting here cos x as 4 over 3 times square root of 6, right? And here I can write minus 2. So from this we can clearly state that the given expression that is being demanded over here, so this one can be written as equal to 4. So for this problem statement, 4 is the answer.